It is time to clean some brass. Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. I've got a couple hundred 224 Valkyrie cases here that I need to clean, and I thought that would be a great opportunity to try a new tumbler, the Frankford Arsenal Rotary Tumbler Lite. Now this tumbler has become a popular seller for Frankford Arsenal for a few reasons. First, it comes in at a very attractive price point. I just checked Mid-South Shooter Supply. It comes in today at under $100. Second, it's got rugged construction. It's got a geared drivetrain. You don't have to worry about belt slipping or belt maintenance in the long run. It's got a window where you can actually see the media tumbling around, and it's just sized just right for medium-sized batches of brass. It'll clean 300 223 cases. I'm going to clean 200 224s because that's what I have to clean here. And it's just a great overall value. So in this video, I'm going to unbox the unit. We're going to clean some brass, and we're going to see how this thing is going to work. So let's get the box open. Always fun to see something new. Okay, so here we see we've got the drum here, right kind of at the top. I can see the window there. Kind of cool. Some protective packing material here. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm going to adios the box here, and we'll kind of take a look at what we have. It's nice plastic construction, simple on-off switch. Got the cooling fan here on the bottom. An integrated cord. We've got rubber drive wheels here. Okay, this is the geared side, so that's where the motor drives the drum. Okay, so I'm going to try something else new here as well. I've got this Frankford Arsenal brass cleaning solution. This is something that you mix 40 to 1. And so what I thought we'd do is I've got some stainless steel pins. We'll fill this with water, fill it with the solution, and we'll get to tumbling. So I'll meet you over by the sink. So I've got the drum here, and we're just going to take off the cap. And it's got the window and the gasket on the inside. And we'll just go ahead and pour the cases in. Okay, so we've got our cases in. I'm going to add some stainless pin media. This is sold separately. It's probably good there. Fill to the bottom of the inside lip here. And then for each drum worth of water, we're going to put 2 caps worth of the Frankford Arsenal cleaning solution in. 1 and 2. Put our window back in. The gasket. Clamp it down, and we'll take it back to the motorized unit. So we just set the drum on the unit, turn it on, and let it run. Okay, so I let that run for about an hour. We're just going to take the drum off of the motorized base, back to the sink. Okay, so I've got the drum, and then I've got a sifting kit. This is a 2-piece kit that catches the shell casings and catches the pins correspondingly. All I have to do is throw those down in the bottom of the sink. We're going to crack the lid, which has probably tightened itself up a little bit. There we go. On the drum. Crack the seal. We'll just pour it straight in there. Just a couple pins left here. We'll rinse those out. Okay, now we're just going to give this a good shake. Looks like a couple soldiers left the infantry. We'll grab those dudes. Give them a little final rinse here. And that's about all there is to it. So I just took the top tray, which has the shell casings themselves. Now it's time to dry them. And there's a bunch of different ways that you can dry these cases. You can just let them air dry on a towel like this. You can put them on a cookie sheet and put them in the oven, or you can use a case dryer that's kind of like a food dehydrator. Either way, just wait until they're absolutely dry to make sure that you don't have any moisture trapped inside the cases, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a cost-effective way to clean your brass and you want them to look amazing, which these do, check out the Frankford Arsenal Rotary Tumbler Lite. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications. I got a lot more cool reloading stories, case prep stories. We've got some gunsmithing coming up, all sorts of stuff. So until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.